In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to download Crunchyroll episodes for offline viewing. Let's get started. First, launch your Crunchyroll app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Before you start, you will need a Mega Fan or Ultimate Fan Crunchyroll subscription. Offline downloads are only available with these premium plans, so make sure your account is upgraded. Once your subscription is set, open the Crunchyroll app on your device and log in with your premium account. Now search for the anime series you want to download. When you find it, tap the show to open the episodes list. Scroll through the episodes and you'll see a small download arrow next to each one. Just tap the download icon for any episode you want to save offline, or also you can click on the option of download all. Your episode will begin downloading immediately. Once it's done, go to your My List or download section inside the app. You'll find all your offline episodes there, ready to watch without an internet connection. That's all for this video. This is how you can easily download Crunchyroll episodes for offline viewing. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.